Hello everyone, and welcome to this unboxing of the InFlames Battles Limited Edition box set. Now, as you can see, I've got it still in the shrink wrap, and I'm waiting to open it with you guys. I love the artwork on this box, it's vibrant. The box has a CD, which is just the same contents as the vinyl, I believe, which is nice to have. This is a wee sticker. This is the cover for your record player. I think it looks pretty cool. It's not very thick. The one that came with the Audio-Technica LP 120 was thicker, but still nice enough, I guess. This is a poster that is the same artwork as the box itself, which is awesome, so I'm going to put that up somewhere on my wall. This is just a card thingy. I'm not sure what that's meant to be. This is the box for the record itself. There's two vinyls in this in the set. I think the vinyls in this set are yellow. Yeah, they are, which is nice. Something different from the usual black. I've also got the vinyl copy of the new album Forgone coming, and I believe that's a white marble effect vinyl, so if you guys want to see that unboxed, then just, leave us a comment. And yeah, that's it basically. Love the look of the shiny new vinyl. It's always great. And I'm looking forward to whacking this onto the old record player and giving it a listen. Obviously I've heard the album before, but it's always nice to hear it in a new format. The artwork in this album. And that's the back, so you can see all the tracks. And thanks for watching.